744, let's fucking get into this. So in const macros by system within the key binding constants, we are going to take edict1's constants for the fractal brush controls, and we're going to copy paste them down into edict2's controls. So they're going to be the exact same controls, exact same names, except there's the EC2 rather than an EC1 right here. And then we're going to make sure that all of these letters here and all of these letters here are fucking identical. So we're going to go right down here and we're going to error check that. So we're going to make some shorthand references to these different key bindings so that we can make sure that keys 1 through 6 are identical to each other. So make sure they're identical to each other, and if they're not, we're going to throw an error. As a reminder, the key bindings are not for flexibility. They are for being able to easily navigate the code base and find what kind of code you're looking for, right? Different functionality. Okay, so in TileFed, let's go down in TileFed here. With an editor put, we have this override here, glass panel layer override. When we're in the glass panel editor controller, we never want to lay down data on any other layer except for the BOM layer, because the glass panels are encoded into the BOM layer. So we're going to take this decision here, this layer decision, and we're going to override it if we're in editor controller 2, because that's the glass panel editor. So layer 1 is the BOM layer. We're going to make absolutely fucking sure that 1 is equal to the BOM layer, and then we're going to make absolutely fucking sure that our layer is the BOM layer. So this is a little override here. Okay, next section. Let's scroll down here a little bit. Okay, nothing in there. Let's go pop down to edict2 key down, the keyboard handler for our glass panel editor controller. We have a reference to what key was pressed right here, and it's uppercased. We're going to use that further down here, We're coming back to Uncle Richard's house to steal his fucking fine art. His gothic mosaic fine art from maybe stained glass panels from a broken down church that no longer exists. We're breaking into his house, we're stealing that shit. All of these fractal brush keys, we're just going to use the original fractal brush controls from the first editor, right? We're stealing stuff from Richard. Okay, and the key was handled. Otherwise, the key is not handled. This no-op is just so that we can put a breakpoint here. That's all that's for. Like and fucking subscribe. I am out of fucking time. Like and subscribe. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. It's called Atomic Ivy MMO. Like and subscribe.